morning. Okay. We are not moving. This is the main kitchen. Just got supplies. And we have the interior living space. There is a motorized liquor cabinet in here which does raise up. Custom glass holder shelves, TV with Netflix and everything. Wet bar. Everything is very dark here. Where are all the lights? Yeah. So that we have this exterior living area. I won't go here because the glass door is locked, but you see all teak. And this is closed as well. Okay. So this is the fly bridge. We have our indoor outdoor seating. It's been raining, so we have this protection up. And what are these? These cushions are for the bow, but obviously it's raining again. This is a second kitchen here. So we have stove, grill. Over here is a fridge. And yeah, this is the tender crane. There's water propeller thing. Oh no. All water here. Good thing we just covered it. There was an issue with the battery, so I'm gonna have to check that today probably before we leave. I might have to replace the battery. What's going on over there? Some sort of leak. Anyway, that's the Sky Bridge. There's like our neighbor here. He's massive. I've got this guy. So, life raft. Well, that's it.